Hi, welcome to AccuSQL. Today we're going to talk about installing AccuSQL 2020 into your desktop device. Let's begin. In the video today, we are going to talk about downloading the AccuSQL installer file from the email link, installing AccuSQL 2020 for the first time, and entering the activation code to begin AccuSQL. The first thing we must do is click on the AccuSQL 2020 installer link from the email that the AccuSQL support team member sends you. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the following page. Come here where it says AccuSQL 2020/plat.zip and click on the down arrow to download the file. After clicking it, the download should begin in the bottom of the screen. Wait for the download to finish and click Show in Folder. Next up, we are going to talk about installing AccuSQL for the first time. After opening the file location, extract the zip file. You can do it by right-clicking on the zip file and extract all. Then it's going to show you the destination. Just click Extract. Wait for the extract to finish. And now click on AccuSQL 2020/dist. And now double click AccuSQL 2020 setup.exe. Then more info, run anyway. You will then be asked if you want to make changes from the unknown publisher. Click yes. Then the license agreement will come up. Read the agreement if you would like and click I accept the agreement. The next. Then it will show you the file destination location. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click next. Then if you want to create a shortcut, click the box to the left. Then next. And now you can install AccuSQL 2020. Wait for the download to finish. You have completed the wizard. Now, if you want to launch AccuSQL 2020, check the box right here and click Finish. From here, you will be asked if you have an activation code. Click Yes and paste the activation code in the space provided. When finished, click OK. AccuSQL will then open up, click Close, and you're all set. You have successfully installed AccuSQL 2020. For more videos on AccuSQL, or if you have any additional questions, please visit engineerica.com/AccuSQL. Thanks for watching.